Today we're gonna unpack the Elgato Green Screen XL. Where did we open it? Oh, here. Haha. Okay, so it's open. Looks like we got a manual. Okay, I'm gonna put that away for a second. Some protective plastics. Elgato logo on the front. Seems like there's some kind of QR code here. It says that there's a tutorial video on how to do it right here. The legs we need to extend. We're gonna get this pole. We're gonna extend the pole. Hi. It is actually super big. Look. I am 5'10", guys, and it is a lot bigger than me. This is definitely big. The durability seems pretty good as well. And it's not as heavy as you think. It's actually pretty light, which did surprise me.